Cascading Style Sheets. This file controls the colors and fonts of a website. It is plain text. You can open it in Notepad to see the design rules. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read the code. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality CSS file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. A CSS file is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML or XML. It defines how elements should be displayed, including aspects like layout, colors, fonts, and responsiveness. C. SS enables separation of content from presentation, making websites more maintainable and accessible. CSS files consist of rule sets, each containing a selector and a declaration block. Selectors target specific HTML elements, while declarations specify the styles to be applied. CSS follows a cascading order where styles from different sources, e.g. external style sheets, inline styles, are combined based on specificity and order of appearance. Windows registers the CSS file as an opener for web browsers developed by W3C's own vendors. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows can open them through local tools, but their real purpose is serving content online. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the CSS file and choose Open With. If web browsers is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. If the CSS file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, use Code Editor. Open the file using any code editor, VS Code, Sublime Text, to view and edit the source code. Next, check HTML link. Ensure the HTML file that references the CSS file has the correct link path. Finally, check browser cache. Clear the browser cache, curl by F5, and check the browser's developer console for errors. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.